welcome to TIU gardening. It appears as though our potato plants have mostly died off, so we're going to go ahead and harvest them and see how many potatoes we got. Hopefully, my father started growing potatoes this year out in Arizona. He only got one, so I'm hoping our harvest is a lot more than his. This was a new potato sack that we were using this year. It's pretty wet on the bottom, so hopefully our dirt is not too wet. So let's see. So far, I don't see anything. It's not a good sign.
No.
Ah!
Taters!
I see something. Look at a little baby one.
Oh, little tater!
Alright, look at that!
Oh, wow.
So, maybe growing potatoes in Arizona isn't the thing to do, Dad. You gotta grow them here in Ohio.
Hint, hint.
Move back to Ohio. Alright, let's get these plants out of the way.
Kimber wants to help.
And I believe we grew, they look like Yukon Golds, I can't remember.
I believe they were Yukon Golds, hon.
We started them, there's a tiny little one in here, I just saw it.
It's right there.
Right there.
Little potato.
I think we started these in March. You can go back and look at the other video. We did a video to show planting them.
We'll put links to that in the description.
Like these little tiny ones.
Oh, it's so tiny.
Ooh, I can feel some in here. Lots of dirt to sift
So far, it
through.
seems like a decent harvest. I think Kimber wants to try one.
Shelby.
Shelby, get out of there.
I should have dumped it the other way and pulled all the plants off first.
It's okay.
Potato. I feel them in here.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah. Some are just clumps of dirt, I guess. Yeah. Might have to take some of this dirt out just to make sure I can get through all of it.
What do you think we should do with the dirt, honey? Dump it on the garden?
Yeah, we'll find some use for it. Well, that's about all I'm seeing. I'm gonna sift through it.
Still
And,
not a bad harvest.
well, not too bad. I was hoping for more. And there might be more in here, but for right now, I guess that's appears to be our harvest. We'll sift through this dirt some more, and hopefully better luck next year. So, thank you from TIU Gardening.